Time as travelers return to the skies in droves following a pandemic pause, airlines and airports worldwide are grappling to meet demand.
But are recession fears and soaring inflation impacting that travel boom as consumers weigh airfare, hotel, and gas prices? In today's Consumer Watch, why the travel industry does appear to be thriving despite a possible economic downturn.
As the peak summer travel season winds down, travel experts say Americans are still spending money on their vacations despite historic inflation and recession fears.
While consumers are starting to pull back on some discretionary spending, some things they don't have to spend money on, it's not holding true for travel.
Several travel industry leaders say demand is still high. Scott Kays, founder of the flight aggregator website Scott's Cheap Flights, points to several factors, including a rise in credit card travel spending.
American Express noted that travel spending was up nearly 150% in the previous quarter.
That's despite fears of an economic downturn on the horizon. Experts blame that on so-called revenge travel, the huge travel boom following years of lost vacations during a pandemic slump. Meanwhile, Airbnb says reservations are soaring. On Tuesday, the company announced a 24% increase in bookings in the 3 months that ended in June, compared to the same time period in 2019. And when it comes to hitting the road, gas prices are declining. On Wednesday, the U.S. national average price of a gallon of regular gas was $4.16, according to AAA. Compared to a month ago, that was $4.81. And experts say cheaper prices are ahead.
While motorists may be incentivized by prices that have been falling, more decreases lie ahead.
On Wednesday, OPEC, the world's oil exporting countries and its allies, agreed to a tiny increase in production next month, amid fears that a global recession will hurt demand. For today's Consumer Watch, I'm Jen Sullivan.